everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the journal thing again with my kitty journal. I love kitties. And today did not go so well. So here we are, we have my pens, and I'm going to pick the sad one. I know I really don't want to do this, but I'm picking the sad one. Because today I ate McDonald's and I got food poison. So my stomach was hurting and now I don't feel really good. So I'm sad. Alright, so let's go. Hi. Today I am sad because I got food poison. And I did not feel really good. Sure, go with that. I do not feel good at all. At all. So now I am really sad. So now I am really sad. Yeah. Let me think of some more stuff and see what else I can do. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try something that I've never tried before. I have this, right? But I'm also gonna take a different pen and complete the rest of my story with that. Oh yeah, y'all see something right there? Oh no, wait, that's not it. That's actually this pen. Well, something black. Right there, a buggy. This is actually a fake bug. Comment below what bug y'all think that this one is. I don't even know, so I have to search it. But comment below what y'all think this type of bug is. It is a fake bug, so don't come at me, bug lovers, in the comments for holding it, whatever I'm doing. But his name is Tom, so I love to scare my teachers with fake bugs. So now I am really sad, but I am really happy because I have my fake bug Tom. I have my fake bug Tom. Yeah. Alright. So this is what we got. Hi, today I am sad because I got food poison and I do not feel good at all. So now I am really sad. But I am really happy because I have my fake bug Tom. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed, and comment down below what type of bug y'all think that this is. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Bye!